I started in 1982.
1987.
1982, about 30 years.
The summer of '74.
38 years.
30 years later, I'm still here.
My name is Dora Medina. A lot of people tell me I've been here forever, and I have. I started back in 1974. When I started, it was pretty much Dr. Manos, a very small, one hygienist, one receptionist, and he was just putting the clinic together.
I started with Dental Associates in 1985. And through the years, I always kept up with my uncle on what was transpiring at Dental Associates. And unfortunately, when he passed at a young age, I was thrust into the position of helping run the company and eventually taking over the company. And it's been the most fun last 12 years that I could ever imagine.
When we found out that it was going to stay within the family, and it was someone that was a doctor and that already had worked at Dental Associates, it was like a sigh of relief.
Dr. Manos comforted many of us that everything's going to be okay, you know, everything's going to run, I'm going to be there, and, you know, so it was a comfort to us. I see so much of Dr. Ganis in Dr. Manos, the passion that they have for our patients, the work ethic that they have every day.
So my first impression of Dr. Manos was a very high energy, passionate person.
Every patient that comes in, I want them to be treated as if they're family members. I want every one of my docs to treat them like it's their brother or sister that's sitting in the chair with them. That's really important to me, and what that does is make our family grow. One of my proudest achievements is seeing some of the folks that have been here through the years grow in the company. People that have started in one position and grown to another position and taken leadership roles.
I mean, I started out as an assistant, then I went to the office, then I worked, you know, in all other areas, in other clinics, and there's just so much to learn. There's so much room for growth here.
So I traveled to Green Bay, I traveled to Appleton. I was going to Fond du Lac. It was supposed to be for 6 months. 17 years later, I left.
You can move around and learn the cross-training. It really is an amazing company to work for, and I really can't believe sometimes it's been 30 years. It's like, wow, I can't believe I've been here for 30 years.
You don't feel like you're going to work. Everybody looks after each other, you know.
Looking back, it's just the things that we go through, and, you know, it's just another day at Dental Associates.